Fucking hell. What do you make of this?
A bit windy.
Hello guys and girls, welcome to the Wandering Idiots channel. This is the first video.
We're at the Brecon Beacons today.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the weather is pretty abysmal.
Pretty fucking wet, pretty fucking miserable.
Almost slipped on ice and died, crossed the river, but here we are.
But this is it, this is the first one. We'll see how it goes and hopefully there'll be some more in the future.
At
The old beacon.
Beacon Black.
Hey, this is where we just come from, and we've got a little ways to go yet, but we'll catch up further up the hill and hopefully get some good footage. Grail, and he's going to fill it up and show you how the water purifier works. What are you doing there, Ethan?
So, water goes into the bottom part of this, the Grail, into the part I just filled up the stream. And then you put the second half on top and you push it down, and the pressure of you pushing down forces the water up through the purifier. This purifies, and it filters as well as purifying, so that means no viruses or bacteria can get into this drinking water.
Now that's drinkable.
Yeah.
So you can take a swig from it and it'll be absolutely fine. Who's that by?
This is Grail.
Grail, there you go. Not sponsored,
Not
just
sponsored.
showing a cool product. There we go.
It's good stuff. I think the tripod is being regretted.
Big time. Big time. No, it'll be worth it at the top.
No turning back.
Alright.
Break time.
Break time.
Tripod's down for a minute. Still got quite a way to go. You can barely see it through those clouds up there.
The cloud layer now, and we'll catch up with you nearer to the top, I think. Got to get our heads down.
Time to crack on.
Crack on. Bit snowy.
Snowy as shit, dude. This path has become treacherous. The ice, I repeat, the ice is not good.
This is it. Going up to the peak. Just at the top here. Just up past there. It splits off into two. We're going to go up to the fan, which is the tallest peak, and see what we can see.
It's been very dangerous. The weather's gone from rain to sleet and then back to snow and a little bit more rain. We are approaching a false summit. Let's see what's going on at the top of this. Oh fucking god, you can see my feet slipping. Oh, I can feel them slipping. Oh, a little bit blustery. Oh god, that's bracing. The buff's going back up. Here we are. Fucking hell. What do you make of this?
A bit windy, a bit wet, but definitely worth it. Crazy, absolutely crazy.
Crazy. Big old Raven's running something over there. There's one way to some fan in that direction.
Absolutely ridiculous scenes up here. We got bloody snow and wind and ice. You can see the viz looking absolutely gopping, but we're fine because we've got the right kit. We've got the waterproofs on, we've got the merino wool, we're warm, we're toasty, and we're gonna make it up this fucking hill. Aren't we, mate?
Not too far to go. We've just met the first false summit.
First false summit, probably about another 10-15 minute walk, and we'll be at the top, ready to see the summit.
We'll see what happens.
Don't know what we'll see, as you can see. Very, very, very foggy, but looking forward to it nonetheless. Let's go. Woo woo!
That's an indication of just how blustery this shit is. Oh, crikey.
This is it. We're at the top of the mountain. We're coming up to the top. Been a bit of a climb with the old tripod for the first time. A little bit crazy, but we're almost there. We're almost at the summit stone. So, here with Ethan. He's made it as well. Gonna get the chairs out, have a little sit, have a little hot chocolate. This is it. Gonna try and spin the camera around. There we go. This is it. We made it to the top of our first checkpoint, our first goal of the channel. Starting it off strong. Penny fan, the tallest peak in the Beacons. Nothing crazy if you're a seasoned climber yourself or hiker, but a nice little start to the series. What a go. What a climb. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling good. Dry. See if we can hear that. I'll play that back later. Listen sometimes. Celtic. We were a fan. We had a little sit at the top. Unfortunately, we're a bit ambitious with the hot chocolate idea. As you can see and hear, the wind is absolutely howling across the top of the summit. But main thing is, we made it up here on our first outing. Had an absolutely great time. Time to get down now though, because it is bloody cold. But yeah, this